Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our lesson today, good morning everybody. Our lesson today is about equations with fractions. Equations with fractions. In page 187. Page 187. Open your book with me, please. Page 187. Equations with fractions. Equations with fractions. Equations with fractions are easier to manage than algebraical expression. Why? Because both sides of the equation can be multiplied by the lowest common denominator. By the lowest common denominator. Why? To clear the fraction. To clear the fraction. So, equations with fractions are easier to manage than algebraic expressions because both sides of the equation can be multiplied by the lowest common denominator. Why? To clear the fraction. So we can say clear the fraction by multiplying both sides by the lowest common denominator. By the lowest common denominator. Okay? Let's see the first example. I have 2x over 3 minus 1 equal x over 2. My aim is to clear the denominator. So, I'll multiply by the lowest common denominator. Look here, the denominator here is 2 and the denominator is 3. What is the multiplication product of 2 times 3 is 6. So I'll multiply both sides by 6 like this. I'll multiply both sides by 6. So here the denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 2. So I'll multiply both sides by 6. Why? To clear the denominator. So here I write multiply both sides by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. So here, I'll multiply 6 by 2x over 3 and also 6 multiply negative 1. Don't forget to multiply all the terms you have. Don't forget to multiply all the terms you have. And here multiply by 6. Okay, or we can put it 6 open brackets 2x over 3 minus 1 equal x over 2 multiply 6 like this. 6 multiply 2x over 3 minus 1 equal x over 2 multiply 6. Let's simplify. In the beginning, I'll take 6 and 3 divided by 3 equal 1, divided by 3 equal 2. And here 6 multiply 1. Divided by 2 equal 1, divided by 2 equal 3. So what's left here? I have 2 multiply 2x over 3. So it will be 2 times 2 equal 4, x over 1. Because I cancelled this 3 with the 6, so over 1. 2 multiply 2 equal 4x over 1. This is 4x, no need to write over 1. I took 6 multiply 2x over 3. So divided by 3 equal 1, divided by 6 equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4x. And this 6 multiplied by negative 1. So it will be negative 6. I make distribution like this. Positive 6 multiply negative 1 equal negative 6. I finish the left side. Now equal, go to the right side. Divided by 2 equal 1, divided by 2 equal 3. So 3 multiply x equal 3x. Now I have a linear equation. 4x minus 6 equal 3x. So I'll keep x aside and the number other side. It will be 4x minus 3x because I'll take it to the opposite side. Equal, and this 6 go to the other side, equal. 4x minus 3x equal just 1x equal 6. And this is the final answer, because when I say to you, solve the equation, I mean find the value of the variable. Find the value of the variable. If I have an equation with fraction, I'll multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator to clear the denominator. So here I have denominator 3, I have denominator 2, so the product of 2 times 3 equals 6. I multiply 6 by the first term, 2x over 3. Multiply 6 by the second term, negative 1, equal, and multiply x, the opposite side or the other side, x over, multiply 6 by the other side, x over 2, multiply 6. As you see, after simplification, I have 2 times 2x equal 4x. I have 6 times negative 1 equal negative x. Opposite side or other side, sorry, x over 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, so 6 give me 3. 3 times x equal 3x. Now the equation, as you see, 4x minus 6 equal 3x. I'll transfer 3x with 4x aside and negative 6 to the other side. So x equals 6. You can check by substituting x, put it equal 6, you will find the same answer. Go to another example. Attention please. I have this example, look with me. 3 over 4 multiply brackets x minus 1 equal third multiply by the brackets 2x minus 1. The aim is to clear the denominator. Now, where is my denominator, or where is the denominator I have? I have 4 and 3. What is the product? 4 times 3 equal what? Equal 12. So, multiply both sides of the equation by 12. Multiply both sides of equation by 12. Okay, let's see. Here it will be 12 multiply 3 over 4. And the brackets is still the same, x minus 1 equal 12 multiply third, the brackets is 2x minus 1. So I took 12 multiplied by opposite side. Let's simplify. Divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 3. So 3 times 3 equal 9. And open brackets, x minus 1. Again, divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 3. So 3 times 3 equal 9. 9, open brackets, x minus 1. And here, divided by 3 equal 1, divided by 3 equal 4. So 4 multiply 1 equal 4, and open brackets, 2x minus 1. Now make distribution. It will be 9x minus 9, x times 9 equal 9x, x times negative 1 equal 9x, equal 4 multiply 2 equal 8x. 4 multiply negative 1 equal negative 4. Let's put x's aside and numbers to the opposite side. I'm sorry, my board is small, so I'll take 8x to the opposite side with negative sign. So 9x minus 8x give me just 1x equal, and take this 9 to the opposite side positive. Positive 9 and the negative 4 equal 5. So the answer is x equal 5. Again, I'm sorry, my board is small. So I have 3 over 4 multiply brackets x minus 1 equal third multiply brackets 2x minus 1. Now multiply by both sides by 12. Why? Because I have the denominator 3 and the denominator 4. I want to clear them. Multiply by 12 here and start to simplify. Divided by 4 equal 1. Divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. And the brackets x minus 1 the same. Equal 12 multiply third equal 4. 4 multiply the 2x minus 1 like this. And then distribute the 9 by x by negative 1. So I have 9x minus 9 equal 4 multiply 2 equal 8x minus 4. I'll take this 8x to the opposite side. It will be negative 8x. 9x minus 8x equal just 1x. And I'll take this 9 to the opposite side. Positive 9 with negative 4 equal positive 5. So x equal positive 5. To check your answer, you can substitute x by putting it 5. You will get the same answer on both sides. Okay. Now go with me to exercise 3, page 188. Exercise 3, page 188. Sorry, 3. Exercise 3, page 188. In exercise 3, page 188, please circle the problems I want to solve with you. I'll go with you to page 188, exercise 3. Circle with me, please. I want number 2, number 3, number 6, number 8, number 10, 12, and 30. So in exercise 3, page 188, I want number 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 30. Okay, let's start. Exercise 3, page 188. Number 2. I have x over 5 equal negative 2. The aim is to clear the denominator. Here the denominator is 1. So 1 times 5 equal 5. So multiply both sides by 5. Multiply both sides by 5. So 5 multiply x over 5 equal 5 multiply negative 2. Divided by 5 equal 1, divided by 5 equal 1. So here I have x on the left side. 5 multiply negative 2 equal negative 10. So x equal negative 10. This is question number 2, exercise 3, page 188. Look with me, this is the problem. X over 5 equal negative 2. I multiply both sides by 5. So x equal negative 10. Yes. Let's solve number 3 together. Exercise 3. I'm still in exercise 3, page 188. Question number 3. I have x over 4 equal half. What are the denominators I have? I have 4 and 2. I am in number 3. So multiply both sides by 8. Why 8? Because I have to multiply 4. So here 8 multiply x over 4 equal 8 multiply half. I can divide here by 4 equal 1, by 4 equal 2. Divide here by 2 equal 1, by 2 equal 4. So what I have now? I have 2x equal 4. 2x equal 4. Divided by 2 both sides. So x equal 2. This is our lesson today. Thank you and best wishes.